nigga did him, yeah. Turning my tracks to control out, ran the corner, drift, yeah. Left hand on steering, right hand with the black while I'm perfectly shift. Look like I came out the Fast and the Fury. The 4 on the race and the line of leg geek. Tapping my gas at the red light, yelling who on the race. I got that bag full of headband, finish most of the face. And if I'm hating, but it ain't no pressure like all of my ties, no. And they keep watching me, I'm finna bury the folks in the Taj mode. YouTube, what going on? 5-7 few back with something new. Hey, excuse me, hell. I'm getting it retwisted today, so excuse me, hell. I'm up here at Rainbow Muffler, man. I know I told you I was gonna wait. You know what I mean? Teach my boy how to talk, but he too quiet, man. My dog too quiet, so figure I'd just come up here this morning. I tried to be first in line, but it was 6 cars in front of me, so I get, you know what I mean? People woke up on the same tilt this morning. Just had a 2022 Scat Pack. He just got it resonator and muffler delete. He said he had an RT and it sounded louder than his car. He just got it. His RT just got totaled, so you know what I mean. He went and got the Scat Pack, but he said RT was sounding louder than his Scat, so that's why he came and did this. And as he was pulling out, he like, man, it still sound like the RT louder. So I don't know what they doing to them RT, but hey, man, you know what I mean, them RTs is running. But yeah, man, I'm up here like I say. Finna get Rainbow Muffler right here for a part, man. Look up the review, man. Them folk got good stars, good ratings. Folk got good reviews on Google. So look them up, man. This why I came last time. If y'all seen my old video, this why I came last time with the 300 and got a straight pipe. But I did the last one. I came back twice. I got the resonators first, then I came back and got the muffler. So this time I'm getting both at the same time instead of, you know what I mean, coming back. So I'm gonna let y'all see what's going on, man. Alright, y'all, so he just took the mufflers off. And man, I thought I had stock mufflers. I got Dynamax mufflers, part 17626. And I just looked them up. I don't really know, you know, the benefits of having the Dynamax mufflers on here, but I feel like they robbed me of my sound. So these guys got to come off. I didn't even know that. So that got to be the only thing they did. Them Dynamax mufflers. That's the only thing they ever done to the car. Hey, look, man, I had my car all the way wrong, man. I ain't never get up under there and actually look at it, man. Resonator's been gone. Resonator's been gone. Whoever had the car before me, they been took them off. You know what I mean? And then they took the regular stock mufflers and replaced them with them Dynamax. So that one was on there. So the resonator been gone. They just had the Dynamax. So now the Dynamax gone. The resonator been gone. So now we already back. Yeah, and so now we back at what I wanted. So I'm gonna let y'all hear after it start up. Alright, y'all, we back. So I finally got my boy, you know what I mean, off the lift. Like I said, the resonator was already took off. I ain't even know that, but the resonator was already took off. It had the Dynamax mufflers on there. Went ahead and took them Dynamax off. I had just looked it up, just did some quick research. I ain't really see too much gains and benefits, you know what I mean, that Dynamax had other than it's a better muffler, you know what I mean, than that stock. So it muffle it, but it don't muffle it all the way, you know what I mean? You still get a little deep, raspy tone to it. So I guess that's why they put that on there, but went ahead and took that guy off. I'm gonna let y'all hear that guy start up though. That thing done nasty, man. In time for a watch though. Boy, that thing done sound too good, man. Yeah, man. Hey, I really ain't want to do no P.O.V. I really ain't want to do no P.O.V. Cause my car was too quiet. So I was like, man, what's the fun of just riding, you know what I mean? And them folks just listening to me. Man, y'all gotta hear this motor, man. Y'all gotta hear this 5-7, man. I'm gonna let y'all ride with me, man. Let's do it. We coming up the street like this, like we ain't never came up before. I don't know why they ain't just pull out. Oh yeah, that bitch sound good. That bitch sound good. Wow, that, hey. That how the 5-7 supposed to sound right there. You feel me? You supposed to hear that little 5-7. I gotta set y'all look right, cause I'm looking at the phone. It's shaking. It's shaking a little too much for my liking. AutoZone right here. do sound good though. Yeah, this bitch do sound good though. Man, I could hit it right to go to the Kroger. Nah, that bitch to the left. Yeah, that bitch right here to the left. I'm finna turn. I could go straight, turn in Burger King, come here. Nah, I'm just finna go around it, bitch. Come on, big dog. Come on, big dog. I need you to drive that. I need you to drive that little truck. I ain't trying to do nothing spin around on these folk one time. You feel me? I ain't trying to do nothing but hit one of these. Yeah, man, yeah. We trying to go your way. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find something else out. I need y'all to be stable. I need y'all to be stable, and I need the camera to be like a little bit back some. You feel me? So y'all can see the whole steering wheel, like everything. I want the view to be right. And then the little pole right here. I know y'all see the little pole right there. That motherfucker in the way. Little pole in the way, man. Had a little Corolla on my bumper before. That whole looking all funny. Corolla looking all funny. Wait, this bitch short now. Yeah. Hold on. We in the wrong shit. Let me jump down. Jump down in that motherfucker. Take these out. Sounded crazy. That bitch just sounded crazy. I can't tweet this bitch around. Try to just tweet this bitch around, man. That bitch sound good. That bitch sound good. Put it into the right shit. Sounded good too. See that motherfucker pull out one tonight. Turn that traction off. Turn that bitch all the way off.